Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Jeep Grand Cherokee's windshield washer nozzles. First, gather your tools, including a pocket screwdriver and hose pliers. Next, open the hood of your Jeep and locate the two washer nozzles, typically found on the top side of the hood. It is important to have your new replacement nozzles ready. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes throughout this simple repair. Now, let's remove the old nozzle. Begin by carefully disconnecting the washer fluid hose from the nozzle's port, often using hose pliers. Next, locate the two small retaining clips on either side of the nozzle from underneath the hood. Use a pocket screwdriver to gently push these clips inward, releasing the nozzle. Once released, push the old nozzle up and out through the top of the hood. Take a moment to clean any dirt or debris from the hood opening. With the old nozzle removed and the area clean, it's time to install the new one. Take your new washer nozzle and insert it into the opening on the hood from the top side. Apply firm, even pressure until you hear or feel it click securely into place. Next, carefully reattach the washer fluid hose to the new nozzle's connection port. Make sure the hose is pushed on completely to ensure a tight, leak-free seal for optimal performance. Finally, let's test your new installation. Close the hood and turn on your Jeep's ignition. Activate the windshield washer system to check the spray pattern from both new nozzles. Confirm that the fluid sprays evenly across the windshield, providing clear visibility. If the spray needs adjustment, you can often use a small pin or needle to carefully aim the nozzle for perfect coverage. You've successfully replaced your washer nozzles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.